So one of the things that you can do with the images that you have in Strikingly is go ahead and do basic edits to them as well. So to do that, as you hover around in the image, you can see that you have the edit button. Simply go ahead and click right here. Then what you can do is as you hover over, you can see image editor is an option. Go ahead and click right here and the image editor will open up. So around over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and let's say, for example, resize this. For example, you can see that the width and height is 1200 by 800. You can choose to keep aspect ratio so that it does not stretch out. So you can say 300 right here and the height is 200. You can go ahead and apply it right here. You can go ahead and crop the image as well. So you can choose from the presets that you have right here or go to custom and click and drag right here to crop out onto certain section. Apply it out right here. Apart from that, you can work around with the filter as well right here. So you can go ahead and choose the brightness right here, just like this, of the image right here. You can change the saturation right here, enable the one you want, and change around the contrast as well. And if you want to remove out the white parts for, let's say, for example, transparent background, you can go ahead and do that as well and change the distance right here, just like this as well. So you can see that certain parts are transparent now. Let me just go ahead and disable, and apart from that, you can even go ahead and rotate out the image as you want right here, just like this as needed. You can type in the value as you want right here, just like this as well. And apart from that, you can even draw in the image. For example, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here. I can draw in the image as I like. I can go ahead and choose a color of the image right here. Change out the range right here of the draw to change around the size and then work around with it. I can even go for line draw right here, let's say, for example, to add in details to it. Apart from that, you can even go ahead and add in text right here. Let me just go ahead on to resize and then change it to 1000 itself and apply right here, just like this. Or let me just go around over here onto 500 and apply right here. I can go to text right here. Let's say, for example, let me just zoom out right here, just like this. I can go ahead and click anywhere right here to go ahead and type in the text. For example, I'm going to say TutuTube, and this is what you have. You can go ahead and change the color of the text as you want from over here as well. So this is what you have. So you can see that this is the text that you have. You can go ahead and then let's say, for example, press enter right here, and then you can left align it, center align, or right align the text if you have multiple lines right here as well. And you can change around the text size by utilizing this slider as well. So you can see that there's a mini image editor that you can go ahead and use. You can undo it right here. You can redo and use the basic image editor to edit out the image as you like. Go ahead and click on save right here, just like this. And all of the image like changes that you made will be saved out over here. Now you can see that this is the updated image. So that is how you can go ahead and use the basic editor in Strikingly to edit out the image that you have. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.